Welcome back to the conclusion of our training on user programmable PMICs. In this video, I will highlight existing collateral as inspiration for powering your next embedded processor design. On the left side of the screen, examples of published collateral for the TPS 65023 hardware configurable PMIC are shown. Application notes for the TPS 65023 have been published for the IMX6 and IMX7 processors, and reference designs featuring the TPS 65023 have been released for Xilinx Zynq UltraScale Plus MP SoCs, Arctic 7 and Spartan 7 FPGAs, and Zynq 7000 SoCs. On the right side of the screen, you can see collateral for the TPS 6521815 and TPS 650861 user programmable PMICs. There is one design each for the IMX6, IMX7, and IMX8M processors from NXP, in addition to reference designs created showing the TPS 65211815 powering a Xilinx Zynq 7000 SoC, and the TPS 650861 powering multiple Zynq UltraScale Plus MP SoC variants. Please browse the technical documents for TPS 65023, TPS 65211815, and TPS 650861 to learn more about our PMICs, and visit ti.com/SoCpower for even more power solutions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy designing your next power supply thanks to DIY PMICs.